hear me?
Yes.
Do this one better.
Hello.
Yes, do this one, Dattatreya. Can you do it?
Yes.
Do it.
Thursday.
Can you please explain it better? No, it's not Thursday. Wrong.
Wednesday.
No, it's not Wednesday.
Wednesday.
No, it's not Wednesday. 22. 7 days before 22. How much? What will you do? Will you add or will you subtract?
Subtract.
Very good. So 22 minus 7 is equal to how much?
22 minus 7 is 15.
Very good. So 15 is which date? Sorry, which day? 15th of December is which day?
15th of December. Tuesday.
No. If 22nd of December is Thursday, then 7 days before 22nd of December, that is 15th of December, is which date?
Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday.
শাশুড়ি বাড়ি যাবে সব জায়গাতে ঘুরে দক্ষিণে যাবে
Monday.
হ্যাঁ
Dattatreya, understand. 22nd is Thursday. 7 days before 22nd is 15. 15 is which day? It's not Monday.
If
Just count it in your hands. Like if today is Thursday, then 7 days before today on 15th will be which date? Just count it on your hand. It's very easy.
বাইরে শুয়ে থাকো
uh Wednesday.
No. Count it properly in your hand.
Um, Thursday, -7.
Yes.
Friday.
No. What happened? Prayer today is Thursday. 7 days before today is which date? You can't just tell me that.
Um,
Look here, Dattatreya. Today is, for example, today is 7th of December. Today is Saturday. 7 days before today, that is on 30th of December. What will be the date? What will be the day? Sorry.
yes, tell me again.
Today is 7th of December. Today is Saturday. 7 days before today, that is on 30th November. What will be the day?
38th November.
Yes, what will be the day?
7,
Look at the calendar. I am showing you the calendar. On 7th of December, the day is Saturday. On 30th November, what is the day?
in 7th November.
30th November. 7th December
30th,
is Saturday. So 30th November is which day?
38 minus 7.
Just tell me the day. Can you see the calendar? Yes, that is correct.
Yes.
7 minus 7 is 0. That is 30th of November. On 30th of November, what is the day? Look at the calendar and tell me, do you know how to read the calendar?
Saturday.
Yes, Saturday. Obviously, 7 day before will be the same day. So see here, 22nd of December. Where is 22nd? 22nd of December is Sunday. So what will be the day on 15th of December?
Sunday.
Very good. Similarly, what will be the day on 8th of December? Tell me. Very good, boy. Yes, tell me.
Sunday.
Yes,
Sunday.
yes. See, all before 7 days, all the numbers are having same day. That is Sunday. So now tell me, in the question you were given 22nd of December is Thursday. So what will be the date on what will be the day on 15th of December?
Sunday.
Sunday. Very good. So what will be the day on 8th of December?
Sunday.
Very good. So what? No, not Sunday. 22nd December is Thursday. So what is the day on 15th of December? Listen to my question. 22nd of December as per question is a Thursday. So what is the day on 15th of December?
Is Thursday.
Very good. Thursday. So what is the day on 8th of December?
Thursday.
Very good. So before Thursday, which day comes on 7th of December? Before Thursday, which day comes on 7th of December?
Uh, Saturday.
Before Thursday, not Sunday, before Thursday,
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Very good. Now, it is asking for 6th of December. So before Wednesday, which day will come? Before Wednesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Excellent. So select your, okay, I'm selecting it for you. The correct answer is Tuesday. Is this sum clear to you?
Yes.
Great. Now do this one. Tell me fast, beta.
The- I don't understand this one also. Daughter.
Tell me again.
I don't understand this one also.
Can you read the question loudly, please, Dattatreya?
Yes. Rishi is is as old as his daughter. The difference between their ages is 30 years. How old is Rishi's daughter?
Very good. Rishi is thrice old as his daughter. So whatever is Rishi's age, his daughter age is 3 times of his. That is, if we write it, we have done this type of sum in a previous class also. Rishi is equal to 3D or his daughter. 3 multiplied by the age of his daughter. Have you understood this line, Dattatreya? First tell me that.
30 divided by 3.
No, not divided by 3. Rishi is equal to 3 daughter. 3 multiplied by his daughter. Have you understood this line?
Yes.
Then the next line will be what? Tell me the difference between their ages is 30 years. So what? Difference means what? Add, subtraction, division, what? Or multiplication?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Very good. So whose age is greater? What do you think? Rishi's age is greater or his daughter's age is greater?
His age is greater.
Rishi's age is greater. Yes. Rishi minus daughter is equal to 30. Have you understood up to this? Tell me that first.
Yes. Yes.
So Rishi is equal to 3 daughters. See, here it is written. So what can we write? Rishi's daughter minus daughter equal to 30. Now tell me, have you understood this line? First tell me that. Dattatreya, have
Yes.
you understood this line? Okay. Now tell me 3 minus 1 is equal to how much?
2.
2. Very good. 2 daughter is equal to 30. So daughter is equal to how much? What will you do?
Ten.
What will you do? First tell me. 30, will you divide 30 by 2 or will you multiply 30 by 2? Will you add 30 and 2 or will you subtract 30 and 2? First tell me.
Divide.
Divide. Very good. So 30 divided by 2 is equal to how much?
30 divided by 2.
Yes. Is equal to how much? 30 divided by 2 is equal to how much?
50.
15, yes. So the age of the daughter is 15. So have you understood this sum, Dattatreya? Dattatreya has
Yes.
great. Was this sum very tough, Dattatreya?
Yes. No. No, sorry.
Okay, tell me this one.
Two 70 gram.
Can you explain me how, beta?
5 kg minus 2 kg is 3 kg. And minus 30 gram is 70 grams. So 270 gram. Sorry, 700 gram.
Wait. .00. Next, 2.30. Or you can also write 5 kg, 00 grams, and 2 kg, 30 grams. Now subtract 00 and 30. 0 minus 0 is equal to how much?
0.
0. Very good. Now 0 minus 3.
0 minus 3 means 10 minus 3.
Yes.
7.
Now tell me 5. You have taken 1 from 5 to make it 10. So 5 will become what? Tell me, 5 will become what?
Uh, 7.
No, 5 will become what? Not 7. What will 5 become? You have taken 1 from 5 to make that 10. So what will 5 become?
2.
No. It's a simple subtraction, beta. You have made it 10 to subtract 10 and 3 and made it 7. So you have taken 1 from 5 to make it 10. So what will 5 become?
5.
If you take away 1 from 5, so what will 5 become? As simple as that.
4.
4. Very good. So 4 minus 2 is equal to how much?